Well, hello everyone. कैसे हैं आप लोग? Everybody is fine?
Fine,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So guys, today I think I got paused. Just a minute. Today, guys, today we are going to have a conversation practice. So I will show you I will show you some situations. You have to grab any situation, and other people will ask you some questions. You have to just answer. You can create a story also. So let me show you
Yes.
this.
Okay.
Let me share the screen. Here we go. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please choose any topic. You can tell me the number.
First,
Which topic have you chosen?
one number. One number, sir.
Okay, you have chosen one number. Okay.
I also choose one number.
Okay, you can.
Okay, question. Question.
There's so many topics. Come on.
Sir, firstly, I
Okay.
speak. Can I speak?
Okay. Madhuri has chosen first one. Okay, let's get started first. So Madhuri, you have to create a story, and when she.
Yes.
Sir, I will also speak in for first topic.
Okay,
One
fine.
number.
Okay, fine. And when she has done with this story, then rest of the people have to ask questions. Okay.
Okay.
So Madhuri, your topic is yesterday I saw a snake in my kitchen. Then आगे क्या हुआ आप बताइए. Action. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yesterday, I was alone at my home because my husband went to the birthday place and my in-laws went to the temple, and I watching TV.
अच्छा एक
And
मिनट यहाँ यहाँ पर वो लोग पहले ही जा चुके थे तो हैड लगा देते ना.
yeah, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yeah, my in-laws had gone to the temple, and I was watching TV. Meanwhile, I felt I was craving to eat Maggie. So in order to make Maggie, I went to into the kitchen, and I started finding the Maggie packet. I opened the kitchen cabinet, and I saw a snake was sitting with coil in the cabinet, and I got scared, and I started screaming. Sorry, I started shivering, and I mustered some courage, and I went out the kitchen, and I started screaming. My all my neighbors came to my house and said to me, Madhuri, what happened? So I said, a snake is in my kitchen. So one of neighbor, Sunita auntie, said, definitely. That time my TV was going on. So my Sunita auntie said to me, definitely you were watching this type movie. So that's snake came to your house. And other neighbor Anita auntie said to me, yesterday, day before yesterday, Nag Panchami. So might have not gone there. That's why God has come to visit to you. So, and my neighbor Amit said to them, stop your nonsense things. Firstly, we went to into the kitchen, and we have to see where is a snake. So my neighbor Amit went to into the kitchen and see the snake. Snake is still stay there. So he went out into the kitchen, and he said to me, Madhuri, I we have to call a snake catcher. So I said to Amit, yeah, Amit, have you any do you have any snake catcher number? So he said, yes, I have a catcher number. So I make a call, and after some time a snake catcher came to my house, and he said to me, ma'am, where is snake? I said, snake is in a kitchen. So he went into the kitchen, and seeing the snake, snake catcher also got scared and went out the kitchen and said to me, ma'am, he is not a snake, he is a serpent. So I have no experience. I doesn't have experience to catch snake.
I don't have होगा ना. I don't.
I don't have experience to catch serpent. So, ma'am, I cannot do this. So, may I request, sir, bhaiya, any how you manage, please catch the snake serpent. So ma'am, so he said to me, ma'am, don't worry, I know a person who catch the serpent, and but ma'am, you have to pay 5,000 rupees. So I said to, yes, I will pay. How I will pay. And he, after that, he made a call, a boy, and couple of minutes a boy came over there, and he catched uh,
Caught.
yeah, he caught a serpent. And after that, my neighbor said to me, Madhuri, you should take a rest. And they all went out to my house. And after some time, my in-laws came to my house. And I asked everything to my in-laws. And my mother-in-law said to me, Madhuri, yesterday, day before yesterday, Nag Panchami festival, and you should have not gone there. That's why this incident happened with you. And meanwhile, my husband came there, and he said to my mother-in-law, Mom, stop like nonsense thinking. In modern era, this type is not happen.
Doesn't
After
happen.
that, doesn't happen. After that, my husband, my in-laws took her dinner. And my husband said to me, Madhuri, do you believe in this type thinking? So I said to my husband, uh, earlier
I did
earlier
not
I
believe.
do
Did
yeah,
I?
earlier I didn't believe, but now I believe in things.
ओके फाइन। जैसे कि नाग पंचमी था या थी जो भी है, तो इट वाज लगा सकती थी आप, तो आप ऐसे बोल सकती थी। माइनर एक दो जगह प्रॉब्लम है, जैसे कि कहीं पर डोंट डजेंट का, मेक मेड का, बाकी ठीक था, बहुत अच्छा था, आपने इतना लंबा और फास्ट बोला है, अच्छा है।
Okay, sir, thank you.
ओके, कोई सवाल बनता है, कोई पूछना चाहे तो सवाल पूछ सकता है, क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कर सकता है कोई।
How much rupee the snake catcher took from you?
ओके, हाउ मच
Yeah.
मनी वाज टेकन बाय द स्नेक कैचर है?
How much money have you given to snack catcher?
या डिड यू गिव, तुमने दिया?
I gave him 5,000 rupees.
Oh.
Yeah.
But actually,
Madhuri,
So that time, yeah,
Madhuri,
answer.
did you not clean your home, your kitchen?
अच्छा,
yeah, I also
मतलब सांप के जाने के बाद नहीं साफ किया कि पहले नहीं किया था?
पहले नहीं
कर,
की थी।
करती।
सांप के आने से पहले, तो हैड यू नॉट क्लीन, हैड लगाइए।
Had you not clean your kitchen?
I clean my kitchen daily.
हाँ,
Yeah, I clean my kitchen daily, but I don't know how to come snake in my kitchen.
आई डोंट नो हाउ द
How
स्नेक एंटर्ड माय किचन।
how the snake entered my kitchen.
Yeah, do you believe that if you don't worship Nag on the Nag Panchami, so the
intuition.
snake can come in your house? Do you believe that?
Uh, yeah, earlier I don't believe
आई
that type.
डिडंट, आई डिडंट,
सर करती थी, yeah, I didn't
डिडंट।
believe in, I didn't that type thing, but after this incident I believe in.
आई स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग।
I started believing.
एनी क्वेश्चन है ना, कोई
Do you
सवाल है मन
remember?
में? कोई सवाल है, एनी क्वेश्चन है ना? माधुरी ने सांप देखा किचन में, कोई सवाल है मन में?
नहीं सर, कोई सवाल नहीं है।
सांप का कलर कौन सा था? सांप कितना बड़ा था? सांप ने तुम्हें काटने की कोशिश तो नहीं की? सवाल ही सवाल है। ओके, डिड दैट स्नेक ट्राई टू बाइट यू, ट्राई टू अटैक यू?
Yeah, sir. As soon as I opened the door, snake got angry, and
स्नेक गॉट एंग्री, ओके।
sir,
गुस्सा आ गया वो स्नेक को, है?
and
तो
yes,
क्या
sir.
बोलेंगे उसको, वो एकदम से वो करता है वो?
यस सर, मतलब वो हो गया गुस्से
Started
में।
jumping, started
सर,
started attacking, यही है।
Madhuri, that time
या सर,
your
आई
husband
कंप्लीट माई
was
सेंटेंस।
हाँ कंप्लीट का।
he yeah he spread his hood
हम्म वेरी गुड,
hood
उन्होंने
and
उसने फन फैला लिया।
हाँ, yes sir, and
अच्छा, उसको जैसे
he
सांप को ही मत बोलो, इट बोलो, इट बोलो।
it started, it spread its fun, its hood.
What was
Madhuri, that
your
time your husband was there.
No, that time he had gone to
Office.
his friend's birthday bash.
हाँ, हिना पूछ रही थी कुछ, हिना वाज आस्किंग समथिंग, हिना कुछ
सर मैं भूल गई, एक मिनट।
भूल गए।
हाँ,
ठीक है।
what was your
which
in-laws reaction when you told the whole story?
व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन
Yeah,
व्हेन यू, नो अच्छा, व्हाट वाज योर इन लॉज रिएक्शन, ओके, ऐसा
yeah.
पूछ।
Yeah, my father-in-law didn't say anything. My mother-in-law asking me,
स्टार्टेड आस्किंग।
Madhuri, started asking me, Madhuri, yesterday, day before yesterday, you should have gone to temple, so that's why this incident happened with you.
ओके।
Madhuri,
You should not have.
that
Time है that
Madhuri, that
Yes.
उस दिन को सर क्या बोलेंगे?
दैट डे,
That day, that day, that day. Did you watch any snack movies?
Yeah. I
And
watched that time. I was watching a movie. A movie. That movie name is, which movie name is Nagin.
नागिन केम टू सी यू हैं।
Yes.
ये सुकुल, सुकुल योर ऑडियो इज ऑफ, सुकुल इज आस्किंग समथिंग, योर ऑडियो इज ऑफ। आस्क अगेन, ऑफ, टर्न ऑन।
Unknown network issue है sir.
at
इसलिए
what time snake was came in your house?
कितने बजे सांप आया, टाइम देखा है?
Yeah. I didn't see watch, but that time, but I think that time was around 5 o'clock.
ओके,
No,
ठीक है।
sorry, 10 o'clock.
ओके, दैट्स फाइन, लवली। नाउ नेक्स्ट पर्सन।
सर मैं स्टार्ट, पर एक्चुअली मुझे जाना पड़ सकता है जल्दी आज।
ओके, ओके,
सर
पुनीत,
मुझे
गो अहेड, गो अहेड, पुनीत इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, या पुनीत।
सर मेरा टॉपिक भी ये था, yesterday I saw a snake in my kitchen.
ओके, ओके,
Okay. Yesterday I got up early in the morning. After that I thought I should take a tea. Sorry. So I called to my maid for making tea, but I found she was not there. And I found my kitchen window was, so I went to my kitchen and found my kitchen window was open. Suddenly I heard some abnormal sound coming from backside of my cylinder. I scared and thought maybe cylinder got leakage. First I opened the all door and windows of my home, and again. However, I entered the kitchen. I saw a snake which was coming out from the backside of cylinder. हेलो, तो आ रही है वैसे आपको?
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ, backside. I got scared. तो ये मेरे को कंफ्यूजन था, आई गोट स्केर्ड होगा या आई गॉट स्केर्ड होगा।
गॉट स्केयर्ड होगा, गॉट लगेगा।
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली मैंने कुछ नोट किए थे जो वो पूछूंगा तो। हाँ। So how I enter the kitchen again? I enter the kitchen. I saw a snake which was coming out from the backside, and I got scared. What should I do? तो थोड़ा सा मेरा आज कुछ एक्चुअली मैंने लिखा था, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ करेक्ट करना था, वो मैंने टॉपिक एक दो लाइनें लिखी हुई है बीच बीच में,
ओके, कर
वो
देंगे।
मुझे करेक्ट कर देना।
ठीक है।
हाँ,
ओके, हो गया
which
आपका
was coming, नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, which was coming out of from cylinder. I got scared. What should I do? So I called to my friend and told him there was a snake in my kitchen. So he suggested to me first close the kitchen door and call snake catcher for catching the snakes. After some time, snake catcher came and asked me where was snake. I took him to in front of my kitchen door and told him that there was a snake in the kitchen. Firstly, he suggested me don't do noise. After that, he took his tools which he used to catch the snakes. And within 15 minutes, he caught the snake and put in the bag. And he said that I will release it in the forest.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। सही है। जैसे आप माइनर मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, कॉल के साथ टू लगाते हैं कि आई कॉल्ड टू माई मेड, तो टू नहीं
सर
आएगा।
एक्चुअली इसीलिए इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा एक बार नोट कर लेता हूँ, क्या सर?
हाँ, कॉल के बाद टू नहीं आएगा।
सर ऐसा
ठीक है
आएगा,
सर।
मेक अ नॉइज, डोंट मेक नॉइज।
हाँ, मेक नॉइज होगा, डू नॉइज की जगह मेक अ नॉइज होगा, मेक के साथ ए
सर दो,
लगेगा।
हाँ सर बताएंगे, क्या बताएं सर अगेन?
पहला था कॉल्ड टू नहीं होगा, गलत है, कॉल्ड टू नहीं होता है।
हाँ सर।
दूसरा,
अच्छा ओके
डू
सर।
नॉइज नहीं होता है, डू नॉइज गलत इंग्लिश है।
तो ऐसा डोंट मेक नॉइज बोला था।
वो गलती से डू सुनाई दिया हम सबको कि डोंट डू नॉइज, ऐसा सुनाई दिया।
अच्छा अच्छा सर,
ओके,
डोंट मेक नॉइज।
आई स्केयर्ड गलत है।
अच्छा, आई गॉट स्केर्ड आएगा।
हाँ, आई गॉट स्केयर्ड होगा। उसके बाद ए टी नहीं होगा, आप टी में ए लगाते हैं, ए टी।
अच्छा
यहाँ होगा मेक टी होगा, मेक और टी नहीं होगा।
अच्छा, मेक भी होगा।
बस यही था, बाकी कोई
ठीक है सर।
मिस्टेक तो नहीं था, ठीक था।
ठीक है ठीक है।
ठीक है, और कोई कहानी सुनाइए।
सर
हाँ,
सर, मैं बोलूं?
हाँ बोलो। व्हाट इज योर टॉपिक?
सर क्या कहते हैं, मेरा टॉपिक है कि एक दिन रात में ऐसे कि शैडो कुछ दिखा मुझे, तो वो वाला टॉपिक
ओके,
था।
किचन में इसको शैडो दिखा या बेडरूम में शैडो दिखा है? बेडरूम में।
यस सर।
चलो ठीक है,
हाँ।
सुनाइए।
Okay, sir. Some day ago, it was rainy season, a rainy season, and I was in my room, and then that time I was studying, and after a few minutes, I went into the kitchen in order to drink water. Suddenly, I saw a shadow from my window. After that after that I got scared. After that I got feared, and I then sometimes I started चिल्लाने को क्या बोलेंगे सर, loud
स्क्रीमिंग।
स्क्रीमिंग, हाँ
screaming
स्क्रीमिंग भी हो सकता
screaming
है।
and I went into the my mom room and and I started rousing to my mom, and I
क्या सर, क्या
told
वर्ड बोला, क्या बोला?
रोज उठाने को जगाने लगी उन्हें।
आई
I
स्टार्टेड
started
वेकिंग हर अप, आई स्टार्टेड वेकिंग हर
waking
अप।
her up. Then my mom got up, and my mom went into the kitchen, and my mom went into the kitchen, and when my mom into the kitchen and saw, there was no one. There was no one, and my mom said, "Don't worry. You drink water, and you came into my room and sleep with
यू, अच्छा
me."
तुम आओ और सो जाओ, कम एंड स्लीप, ओके।
And then I went into my mom room and with
स्लेप्ट,
her,
स्लेप्ट विद हर।
slept with her.
ठीक है, सवाल पूछिए रंजित, सवाल पूछिए। शैडो देखा इन्होंने।
Yes. So, do you believe ghost?
डू बिलीव इन गोस्ट?
Do you believe in
No,
ghost?
no, I don't believe ghost, but that day I believe.
आई बिलीव्ड।
did you watch any horror movie?
No, I don't like watching horror movie.
Did you go some exorcism?
डिड यू गो टू एग्जॉर्सिस्ट? एग्जॉर्सिस्ट का मतलब भूत
Yes, yes,
भगाने
yes,
वाला,
yes.
ओझा,
No,
तांत्रिक।
that time I was nothing. I was doing nothing.
आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग।
I didn't do anything.
When when you saw a shadow, so it what time was, sir? What time was?
व्हाट, ओके, व्हाट वाज द टाइम व्हेन यू
Uh,
सॉ द शैडो? क्या समय
That,
था व्हेन यू सॉ द शैडो?
that time was 12:45 p.m.
what was the reaction after when you told to your mother?
ओके, व्हाट वाज हर
My
रिएक्शन व्हेन यू टोल्ड हर मदर अबाउट इट?
my mom said बारिश हो रही है,
इट इज,
रैनी,
इट इज
it is
रेनिंग।
raining,
It is
it is
raining.
raining, and sure any thief would have there,
अच्छा, कोई चोर होगा, यानी थीप वुड बी देयर है।
would be there.
फाइन गाइज, अगली कहानी आप बोली जब तक मैं यहाँ रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करता हूँ। 20 मिनट की रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई है, ठीक है, इतना काफ़ी है। चलिए गाइज, तो मैं ही स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ।
सर एक्चुअली
हाँ।
मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट था, आप जैसे स्टोरी टेलिंग के बाद 10-15 मिनट जो लास्ट के बचते हैं 7:45 के आसपास,
हाँ।
तो कोई एक टॉपिक जैसे आज एजिस का बता देना।
ठीक
आज
है,
एक किसी ने ग्रुप में कुछ मतलब 10-15 मिनट लास्ट में, पूरा टाइम नहीं, 45 मिनट स्पीकिंग, ठीक है।
ठीक है, मैं करा दूंगा, आज ही करा दूंगा। ठीक है, मैं ये स्टॉप करता हूँ, काफ़ी इतना।